you was going down!
Sorry, Gretch!
No! Get down! Ha! Looks like I hit that one out of the park.
Gretchen!
Ew!
It comes from above in a flourish of feathers. The most joyous and gruesome of all get-togethers.
Yo! Squirt, get out of there! Leave my friends alone, you flea-bitten bag of feathers! Ah! I hate it when Gretchen's right.
Way to go, McGee. It's poopmageddon out there thanks to you.
It's not my fault that bird blew its tail feathers.
Actually, it's totally your fault.
Okay, I wanted the best present ever. It's all I could think about. Is that so wrong?
Yes.
I'm sorry, guys. I put you all in danger and ruined Doo-Doo Day.
You forgot about being a selfish, bossy dumbbat.
Oh, yeah, how could I forget that?